With this gift, the next generation of Bailey family ensures that this beautiful property isn't just protected for today, but that it will be sustainably managed and maintained for generations to come. So today we celebrate the partnerships that brought life to this property. The original vision of David and Eleanor Bailey, the stewardship of Southwest Michigan Land Conservancy, the commitment of Berry County, the trust in the Berry Community Foundation, and the vision and certainly the persistence of David and Wendy Bailey to ensure that their parents' legacy is fulfilled.
And we celebrate the dedication to the Bailey Nature Preserve as Berry County's newest park. As members of the community gather to celebrate this event and express their confidence, we are proud to add our voices to commend everyone who has worked to make this day possible. The land for this incredible preserve was donated over 20 years ago by David and Eleanor Bailey. They hoped that this would be a place where the community could experience nature and wildlife while preserving the natural area. With the support of the family, the Bailey Nature Preserve will continue to provide the county with beauty, education, and history while supporting the local ecosystems as well. In partnership with the Southwest Michigan Land Conservancy and the City of Battle Creek, the Berry County Parks and Recreation Commission will work hard to honor the land while also improving the park for public enjoyment, just as David and Eleanor had envisioned. In special tribute, therefore, this document is signed and presented to honor the Berry County Parks on the dedication of the Bailey Nature Preserve. We applaud this accomplishment